Okay, today I'm going to cover the book cover generator. Okay, so if you're a member of any of our puzzle tools, then you have access to this book cover generator. Basically, if you're a member of any of our KDP software solutions, you have access to our book cover generator. Now, depending on the tier, if you're a basic user, you only have basic access. That means you can upload your images, you can use text, you can move things around. It's very easy to use. If you're an Elite Kind member, then you have access to the AI portion of the book cover generator. Okay, so I'll talk about the AI part later, but for now, I'm just going to talk about the basic parts. Okay, so up here you can change the trim size. Now, 6 by 9 it's a good size because 6 by 9 you can add it to Kindle Direct. Okay, Kindle Direct, the digital format. It's also paperback, which is cool. Okay, but for our purposes, we're gonna stick with 8.5 by 11. That's a good mid-content size trim. Okay. Now, really important, you need to add the correct page count. You got to account for all the pages in your book, okay? Because the more pages you have, the bigger your spine, the more it costs Amazon KDP to create your book and ship it out. Weight and dimensions, all this has to be accounted for when they sell a book. So you have to be precise with this, right? Just the exact page count added here, really important. Paper type, cream, white, or regular white paper. I usually just go with white paper, but it's up to you. Okay. So we have our dimensions right here. You don't have to worry about that. You just add in the information you want to include, right? Trim size and page count. Okay. Now, if you're again an AI user, we'll talk about this later. But if you're not, just don't worry about this for now. Okay. Here we have the guide legend. Red is bleed, trimmed off. It gets cut off here. Green is a safe zone. Anything within the green line is safe and will be included in the book. Purple is the spine, and this bluish color is the center guides. Okay, very good. So here down here we have the export. Once we're done, we're gonna download it. We have the options of just downloading the front only. Let's say if we're using it as a display or maybe as a Pinterest pin on Pinterest, we can just download the front. That's a good idea. But if you're going to do Pinterest pins, just a side note, if you can do Pinterest pins, make sure you're linking not directly to your listing, but link to a website that you own that has your listing. Okay. I highly recommend that for a number of reasons. Number one, for Pinterest, they collect your site data, and that helps in your search rankings. If you're linking to Amazon, they can't do that. So you want to link to your to what's called essentially a bridge page. Okay, I know this is kind of offhand, but it's really important if I'm talking about Pinterest. And second, Amazon doesn't like direct linking to their listings for some reason. They don't like it. Okay, so use bridge pages if you're going to do Pinterest. Anyways, that's besides the point. I usually go with the full cover because when it comes to the books, I like to just get the full cover here. You get the PDF. You need the PDF if you're gonna upload it to Amazon KDP. Really important. Okay, so here we have specifications. This is the current numbers we have based on the 120 page count we have, the trim size, and the color, white color paper that we're using. Okay, now here we are to the basic section. We have the background. We can change the background color, make it black. The spine, we can make it blue, okay, if we wanted to, okay? Let's make everything white for now. Nice and simple. We're gonna upload an image, okay? So this was accidentally created by ChatGPT, was it, or Gemini, one of the two. I was doing something. Here's an example. As you can see, we have a lot of white left, so this is a bad example, right? So I deleted it. I just click delete. I'm going to click upload image, right? Let's say we're going to, I want to give you a nice example. Let's say we're going to create a book on, I don't know this breed of dog, but let's say it's about a dog coloring book, right? And as you can see, I can move it around anywhere I want. Really important. I'm going to keep it center, right? I'm going to change the background color to, I don't know, let's go with light blue. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Now, again, I'm just using the basic tools. As an Elite Kai member, I'm going to use AI to create this. Okay. But just for now. Okay. So I have an uploaded image here. Okay. What I want to do now is also want to upload some more images for the back. Okay. So let's say, just for example's sake, I'm going to, well, this isn't the correct trim size, but it doesn't matter. I just want to use it for an example. Open it up. And I'm going to shrink this down. I'm going to grab this corner here and I'm going to shrink it down like that. Okay. Like that. I'm going to do another one. And you want to add different, you want to give examples of the inside of your book. Okay. I'm just going to use the same image again and again here. Okay. Like that. Make sure they line up like that. And you have these crosses here, these grids to help you out. I'm gonna add one more. I like to add three, not four, but three. And I'll explain why in a little bit. So here we go, here's another one. Bring it down. And it's a little bit too big. I like to eyeball it here. Okay, and bring it down like that. Now, I add three and not four because right here, you're gonna have your barcode that's gonna be added automatically by Amazon. So you gotta keep that in mind, okay? Now, simply here, I wanna finish off the back right quick. So I wanna go to the text part here and I'm gonna click, I'm gonna add check out what's inside. Something like that, right? Add it, check out what's inside. It's a little bit too big. I'm gonna knock it down a little bit. Right here, as you can see, we have the controls for the font. You can also outline it if you want. Get the black outline and the inside, make it white like that. I'll keep it all black for now. And make sure you snap it into place. That's one cool thing about this tool is that you can snap everything into place. Everything is onto a grid. So here we are. We're done with our back cover. Now I'm gonna finish off this top part here. Okay, make it like that, and let's call this what kind of cute dog. Sorry, I forgot my breeds. Cute dog, like that. Let's change the font. There we go, cute dog. But that's too small, obviously. So I'm gonna increase the size. Cute dog, and let's thicken up the outline like that. Cool. And let's add another one. Cute dog, and of course I want the bottom part, right? So for example's sake, let's say this is a cute dog color by numbers. I'm gonna put here color by numbers. Cute dog color by numbers. And you gotta make sure, really important, really important. This is too big. Anyways, you gotta make sure. That your title, whatever's in the front, has to be the title of your book when you list it on Amazon KDP. I repeat, whatever is here in the front, you see my mouse, must be on the title of your listing. Okay, really important. Okay, we're done. Okay, this is how you do it manually. It's very simple. Okay, once you're done, you have shapes here, by the way. You have, if you want to add like a background for your text, you definitely can do it with shapes and stars and whatnot. Let's add a star. Okay, cool. We add a star here. We can fill it with, I don't know, make it yellow. Okay, right here, let me show you that. And maybe black for the stroke. Okay, make that a brighter yellow, like that. We can fill it in more. Let's check it out. There it is. Okay. Let's say we want to add a cute little star here. We could move it around too. Oh, I don't want to move. I don't want to move that guy. Put that back like that. Move it around. Keep it here. Add another one maybe. We can move that around here. We can move the shape. Just move this around with your mouse. Put that over here. Okay, make sure you're in the borders, and that's it. We're done. Okay. Now, also, if you want to draw, just to go over the controls over with you. Usually, I just use text and the images. You might want to use some of the shapes. It's up to you. Drawings, you can actually use your mouse to go around and draw stuff like a brush, like that, if you want. Okay. You can also erase it. It's up to you. Okay. So another thing, you can go down here, and again, if you're an AI user, you can use the AI elements like remove background, describe an element to add the element. Okay, but I want to talk about the AI Elite Kai part after this part, so we'll talk about that later. And layers. Okay, layers. We have you can undo that, and I can undo it again to get rid of that line, and we're done. Okay. So now that we're done, I'm going to download this PDF. And there we go. We have our book cover. Okay. Okay. So now I'm in the book cover creation process for my book, and I have the AI Elite Kai also injected into here. So people who just have the basic account, they have the book cover, but they don't have the AI part of it. They just can move around text. They can move around images into the book and style it any way they want. If you're an Elite Kai member, then you get to create, you let the AI do all the work, right? So here we go. I'm doing a very regular standard activity book, 8.5 by 11, 24 pages. You want to put the exact numbers, really important, the trim size and everything. And AI cover gen, just put in a simple prompt, Kawaii Princess going up a tower, and name it Princess Bella activity book. I hit generate, and that's what it created for me. Okay. And of course, I can add images here. Let me show you right quick. So you always want to show your end user, what's your customer, your potential customer, what's in the back of the book. You want to show what's inside the interior, rather. So let's add some images into this. Upload image, and I'm gonna go with one image of her, um, the first page like that, and have it up here. Okay, and I'm gonna make that smaller. You want to give a sample of everything, right? So of course, an activity book has several activities. So I'm gonna upload another image of the crossword puzzle, one of the crossword puzzles. Slide it on over like that. And one more image. Remember, the bottom right of the back here, the bottom right cover, the bottom part, there's going to be a barcode. Remember that. Amazon always puts a barcode at the bottom right of the back cover. So I'm going to add another image. Let me add another staircase. Let me add the staircase, this spiral staircase. And there we go. Like that, and drop it here in the bottom. Here's what's inside. That's a little too big. I'm going to shrink it down. The other one button. And I'm going to put that right up here. Beautiful. Now that we're done with all this, I'm just going to download and show you what that looks like. And there we go. Okay. We have our activity book cover. Okay. And really important, this is your first impression to your potential Amazon KDP customers. This is what gets your foot in the door. If you have a high CTR and sales for that, then Amazon will reward you with better rankings for whatever query or SEO niche keyword you're targeting. Really important stuff. Hope you like this video. See you inside.